Hi, welcome to Rallyhood. Thank you so much for taking the time to join us today. Today I will be taking you inside of an individual rally within a hub environment. Inside the rally, we will be focusing on the message wall that sits on your navigation bar. I'm going to click on our hub. Inside the hub, you'll find your list of rallies. Today I'll be demonstrating underneath Volunteers of Community 10 Rally. The message wall is a great solution to highlight if you're working to transition your group from another platform like Facebook or to get away from those annoying reply all emails. The message wall is the primary place in your rally for communicating to other rally members. Typically, the rally settings will allow for anyone to post a message and comment on a message in the message wall. However, you can adjust that ability by clicking on the settings gear icon and navigating to rally features. Clicking on the settings gear icon will take you to an additional page that will allow you to navigate through your features and functionalities and change your settings to your specific preference. For further information, please see the tutorial video for settings. Let's go back to our message wall. Posting a new message is very simple. Please click the plus sign where it says New Message. One of the great things about the message wall, as opposed to some of the other platforms, is the ability to fully format your message with font and format customization such as bold, underline, italicize. Add your title, team meeting. I'm going to add my body or my description. Meeting at 2. Please join us at the clubhouse. Period. Show you some examples. We can make it bold, italicize it, and let's change the color. We're gonna do blue. You also have the ability to attach documents and photos. You can click the buttons in the menu to add files, or you can drag and drop directly into the space below. Let's insert a image. When you do this, you will see a drop down right here that's going to ask you if you'd like to copy it to a gallery. These are all of my folders within my gallery. I don't wish to copy it, so I'm going to click Do Not Copy. By clicking Notify Immediately, it will send an email with your message to all of the members within that rally. This is a great option for time-sensitive circumstances like an address change for an event, or maybe there's a storm and the event's been canceled, and that way you can get that message out and notify all of your members. Now let's go ahead and post our message. And here you will see our message appears on the message wall. We have the option to like or thank. We can share this with different rallies. You can do multiple rallies at the same time, or you can just choose to do individual. And always be sure to share. Let's scroll up. If you click on the drop down next to New Message, you'll see the option to search within the message wall or change the message wall settings. Clicking on message wall settings, this will change the way that it's shown on your navigation bar. For instance, if we just want to say messages, we'll leave the icon the same, but you have the option to customize it here. You can set your permissions. All members may post here. All members may view, but only Rally admin may post here. And the third option is make this page viewable to individuals outside of Rallyhood. So we're going to put all members may post here. I'm going to save it, and you will see it appear as messages on your navigation bar. Underneath the message is also where you can write a comment. You can say, "Hi, thank you for your time in sharing this important information today." And save. And now you see your message has appeared. You can go in and edit, which is where you can delete it if you would like to, and then you can recreate it if you wish. Scrolling up, as an admin, you can edit a message no matter who created it. You can look at the details of who created it, when it was created, who has since shared it, and when it's been shared. You can pin and unpin the message. So if it's an important message and you want it to be shown first, or if it's a greetings, welcome to this rally, and you want it to be shown first under message wall, then you can pin it to the top. You also have the option to unpin it. And you also have the option to report a message. Reporting a message is if it feels inappropriate to you, and then this will directly go to our IT team and they will remove it immediately. Clicking unpin, you will see that it now no longer shows at the top of the page, and it's in the order that it was originally posted. If we go back, we want to pin it to the top again. Just click on pin to the top. And here you'll see it's back on the top as the first message seen underneath this rally. From here, navigating back up, if you'd like to go to your Rallyhood dashboard, you can click on the Rallyhood icon, and this will direct you back to your dashboard. Thank you so much for joining us. We hope you found this information to be super helpful in your experience here at Rallyhood. If you have any tech troubleshooting questions about our Rallyhood desktop or mobile app experience, please feel free to contact us at support@rallyhood.com.